For in him all things were created, things in between and on earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or powers or rulers or authorities, all things have been created through him and for him. Colossians chapter 1 verse 16. This module helped me to see God more clearly as the all-powerful Creator who lovingly made everything around us. As His children, we are called to honor and care for creation with gratitude and responsibility. Through the Dominican process, I expressed my faith in meaningful ways. I wrote a love letter to God, thanking Him for His constant guidance and protection, and I shared a Dominican prayer for creation within the Letran community. I also deepened my understanding by completing a masterpiece. As a Letranista, I realized that recognizing God as our Creator means noticing His presence in all things and actively caring for the world He entrusted to us. This module reminded me that being a faithful child of God is reflected not just in prayer, but in my actions, how I treat others, and how I respect and protect creation.